Starting an online business is insanely easy. Forget what everyone else is telling you. Forget what the gurus are telling you that you need this, that, and it's difficult and it's challenging. Starting an online business is actually insanely easy. You want to start an online business because you're tired of making a boss rich. You want to start an online business so that you can start generating some passive income and eventually fire your boss. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a 3-step process where you can start an online business today and start seeing leads, sales, and some traffic. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn step by step everything that you need to do to start a successful online business. Hello, my name is Austin Godbolt, and as a successful affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur, I have made money promoting stand mixers, security cameras, sound bars, microwaves, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship tips and tricks, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. All right, so as I mentioned, making money online and starting an online business is insanely easy. And in this video, we're going to go over a 3-step process that you can take advantage of to start making some money online. Part number 1 is how to find your niche, and this is actually really easy. Part number 2, how you can get in front of people that might be interested or have a similar interest as you. And number 3, how you can make money with your online business. So let's go ahead and get into number 1. Number 1 is simply how to find your niche. And a niche is really a very pretty word for where you're going to create content or what you're going to create content about. And believe it or not, I think this part is really overcomplicated by everybody. And finding your niche is simply as easy as finding something that you're average at. You don't have to be great. You don't have to be exceptional. You don't have to be a rock star in it. It can be something that you do every day. Maybe you're a data analyst and you want to share your knowledge with data analysts. Maybe you spend all day doing Google Docs or Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheets, and you can turn that into a business. And I'll show you some examples of that in just a moment. Whatever it is, it will work. The reason why it'll work is simply there are 8 billion people on the planet, and 4 billion people have access to the internet. So chances are, whatever you're good at, or average at, or some might even say mediocre at, you're going to be at least 1 or 2 steps ahead of someone that wants to learn from you. So again, Google Sheets. If you know anything about Google Sheets, if you spent time learning about Google Sheets, you can be an online business person in Google Sheets. If you're a good parent, if your kids are safe and sound, which would make you a good parent, you can share that. If you have been married successfully for 35 years, you can share that information as well. That is going to be your niche. So that's step number 1. Believe it or not, it's really easy. What you can do is take 5 minutes and write down 5 or 6 things that you're good at and move on to step 2. And step 2 is simply to just find your traffic. Okay. And this is how you're going to get in front of people that are interested in your niche. And it's really simple. Again, we overcomplicate a lot of this when it comes to an online business. You're going to create content to get in front of people that are interested in whatever it is that you are planning on selling. We'll get into the selling in just a moment, but there's a few ways to do it. You can pick a platform like TikTok or YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. There are millions of people at each of these platforms. So pick one that you're comfortable with. I like doing YouTube videos and TikTok, so that's where you'll see me most often. And you are going to learn the types of things that people are asking. You're going to learn what people are interested in on your preferred platform. For example, if we jumped into my computer here, I'm just going to open up YouTube. Let's say you wanted to teach people about Google Sheets. You have spent 10 years working in the Google Sheets market, and you are an expert. You're above average at Google Sheets. And so what you're going to do is you're going to come to YouTube and you are simply going to type in Google Sheets like this, okay? And as you can see, there are hundreds of questions or hundreds of searches of people that are interested in learning more about Google Sheets. This is the content you're going to create to get in front of people that are interested in Google Sheets. And this works for anything. Again, maybe you've been married for 30 years. You can type in something like how to stay married. As you can see, there are lots of people asking questions. How to stay married for 35 years, right? And again, there are going to be millions of people that are asking this exact question or some variation of it. And what I recommend that you do is do a little bit of research. There's a few ways that you can do research on YouTube. One is you can type in keywords like I've done here, or you can find channels that are in the similar space. So how to stay married like this. And as you can see, there are all sorts of things. How to stay married for 70 years. We're going to click on this. And you're going to see there are tons of people asking these questions. The top result, how to be married for 70 years, has 1.3 million views and, interesting, only 4,000 subscribers. So you don't need to be this huge mega channel in order to get this. How to make a marriage last for 70 years. This is the third one down, 95,000 views, and they only have 223 subscribers. So you can see that this works. Now, what you can do is take the next step and look and see what other content that this channel is making. Now, if the content is relevant to your niche or your topic that you're going to create content on, you are going to look and see what's working and what isn't working. This is the second way to figure out what your target audience is going to be interested in. So with this channel, some of it's going to be relevant, some of it isn't going to be relevant. It looks like this person is more doing vlog type content where she's talking about herself. But we can come back up here and we can type in something like how to stay married like this. And let's go to how to stay married to a narcissist husband, just like this. This may or may not be relevant, but what we're looking for is we're simply looking for other channels that are within our space, not to copy them, but to look and see what's important to our target audience, because we need to build traffic to sell a product. If we don't have anything to sell, we don't make any money. Now, we'll come back to this in just a second, but this will work for any platform. You can do this on TikTok. You can do this on Instagram. The way that you search on TikTok and Instagram may be different, but it's still going to work. You can do this on Facebook. You can do this on LinkedIn or wherever it may be. This is working, and simply what you're doing is you are creating content to get in front of people that are going to be interested in the product or service that you're going to sell them. And so you're just going to do a little bit of research. I would recommend writing maybe 30 words to start. You don't have to do all 30, but you're just getting content ideas. But if we look at this happily committed, this is probably within our niche. How to bring excitement and joy back into your relationship. This could be something that our target audience would be interested in, and we could potentially create content. Again, this works for anything and everything. If you're over on TikTok, you're going to maybe follow 10 or 15 people within your space, within your niche, and then you are going to look and see what works best. What has worked best over the last few weeks? What has worked best over the last few months? And you're going to try and improve on a tip, trick, or tactic. So this is step number 2. Step number 2 is simply you are going to do a little bit of research, figure out what your target audience wants to know based on the type of content you plan on creating. Again, if you're doing Google Sheets, you're going to type in Google Sheets like this, and you can see Google Sheets tutorial for beginners. If we click on this, there's probably channels out here dedicated to Google Sheets. Look at this. There are a ton of these channels out here that are creating content about Google Sheets of all sizes. So that's step number 2. Believe it or not, it's actually really, really simple. And step number 3 is how are you going to make money? This is going to be pivotal for your success, because if you don't make money, you don't have a business, you have a hobby. So there are a number of ways that you can make money. One is you're looking right at, if you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can join YouTube's partner program. As long as your content's probably like PG-13-ish, you can join YouTube's partner program, and YouTube will pay you for the ads that show up in the beginning, middle, and end of your content. So this is one way that you can make money. This is probably maybe like the 3rd or 4th income stream, but it's going to help. Another way that you can make money is you can make money creating your own products and services. So for example, if we're looking at Google Sheets here, we can create a digital product, maybe a few different templates. We can sell them ourselves, or we can use a website like Etsy to help us out. For example, we can go over to Etsy like this, and we can just type in Google Templates or Google Sheets, and you're going to see that Google Sheets like this, you're going to see people are looking for all sorts of Google Sheets that they can buy. And you're simply going to create these on your own, or you can hire someone to do it, and you can sell them right from Etsy. What I recommend ultimately is to sell them yourself, because you can actually sell them for a little bit more, make more money, and you don't have to give any to Etsy. And so there's a number of ways that you can sell your products. You can sell your products through getting a website and domain name and web hosting, or you can use something like ClickFunnels, or you could even just use PayPal, have people send you money, and then you can email them the Google Sheet or Google Doc, whatever it may be. But this is a digital product. The cool thing about digital products is that you create the product once and you can sell it again and again and again. That's my recommendation for an online business. What you can do instead is you can sell a physical product. Maybe you have a flash drive that you want to sell full of all of these Excel templates that you've put together, or macros, or whatever it may be. That's going to be a little bit more time intensive because you're going to have to package it and sell it, but that's another opportunity. Another thing that you could do is you could do what's called affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. And the way that it works is you're going to go out and find affiliate programs that are related to your niche or wherever you're creating content about. For example, if we're talking about Google Sheets, maybe there's a course that will help them even more. We can go over to a website like Udemy and we can find courses regarding Google Sheets and we can be an affiliate. Google Sheets. And the way that it works is if someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get a portion of the sale. And you can be an affiliate. There are thousands of different affiliate opportunities, but you could see here, you could be an affiliate for Udemy courses. This isn't going to bring you the most money, but this is an opportunity. What I recommend that you do is you start off with things that are relatively easy while you're building your business. And then over the long term, you can build out your own course and then you can sell your own course for, $497 if that's what you want to do. So step by step, it's really easy. You figure out what you're good at or what you're interested in or what you are marginally better than other people in. You write maybe 5 or 6 of those down and say, I don't mind creating content or I don't mind helping people in this arena. Okay, for example, ours is Google Sheets. Step 2 is we need to go out and figure out what people are asking, what people want to know when it comes to our niche or our area of not even expertise, area of averageness, we'll call it. And that's called keyword research. So we're going to write down maybe 30 words that people are asking, and then we're going to create content to get in front of those people. And then the last step is to figure out how to make money. There are a bunch of ways that you can make money. As I mentioned, the YouTube Partner Program, if you decide to go the YouTube route, affiliate marketing, selling your own digital products, selling your own physical products. You can even sell merchandise if you get large enough. There are a few other ways that you can make money, like brand deals and sponsorships, but that's usually when you get a little bit larger. So it's real simple, real easy. And now that you know how to start an online business with no money, click the first link in the description for my free Unemployee Handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.